What's up guys, this is day 2 and we are getting ready for the photo shoot. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna take the scooter out to the site, and this is called the rice terrace lah. So we will be there and see what's gonna happen. My first photo shoot ma.
So from the Tegalalang we can take the photo here.
Oh,
I think this is nice.
Yeah, meet Fendi, my wife, and let's go. We have to stop by for fuel.
Kalau parkir jalan lain nggak apa-apa ya? Saya nyari tempat parkir nggak dapat motor. Ya, tadi.
Doing a photo shoot. So what's cool about this is that's our villa. This is our photographer. And that's us. Unlike the Tegalalang area, here the farmer seems to be very friendly because we stay here lah. And it's not very easily accessed to the public, so not many people are here to take photographs. But here somewhat, I think not bad lah. It's still better than Seminyak lah. Oh ya bu.
Ya bikin satu ya, yang bikin lah. Bikin satu ya.
Gimana nggak apa-apa?
Bertiga.
Iya.
Ya kasih setro lagi satu nak.
I think you must be relaxed then.
Yeah. You use people's place to take photographs. As a courtesy, just show some love by buying some local delights like this. But anyway, it's not very expensive, just that as a courtesy you just buy stuff. And so that's the last session for the photo shoot. Now we are in a villa already, just because the villa looks amazing. Yo guys, we are now in one of the most famous street in Ubud. I don't know what is this street called.
Jalan Gautama.
Really? Okay.
I think so, I saw.
Gautama. So it's all for tourists, and we are part of it now. So we now very smart already. Ride scooter here and don't need to walk so far. So that's the main street for Ubud, and you see there's all Guailos, and the locals are all serving. So the shops here are all this kind of shop. Fashion. This street is all fashion mainly. Then the other street that we're just telling you guys about is all the makan one. And that's Chinese food, but one tray of har gow is 15 bucks. So in Malaysia we should eat more. Okay. Now we go jalan-jalan. That's all, guys. We are now in the market, but everyone is closing already because it's 6 o'clock. So it's a morning market lah, and there's a lot of weird stuff that is being sold here, like a huge dick and ukuleles and dream catchers and t-shirts and mangkoks and cups and timber stuff, antiques, clothes, a lot. And one observation is a lot of dogs. There's a lot of dogs. So I guess that's one day. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to Seminyak though.